Welcome to Extramarks Go to School initiative. Friends, please follow the steps to avail Extramarks Learning app free access for 75 days. Step 1. Click on Google Play. Step 2. Type Extramarks in search and you will get the app. Just click on Install. Step 3. Once the app is installed, then click on Open. Now once the app is open, click on Create Account and fill in the details like mobile number, your name, and city. And then continue. Now you will reach to a page where you have to select your respective board and class and press continue. As you have filled in the details, you will receive an OTP on your mobile number. If it's on Android, then the OTP is auto-filled. And here you are in the app now. Now the app is going to give you all the steps to follow and all the features and other informations related to the application. So just go through all the instructions and information. Now you'll have to click on 3 parallel lines on the top left corner. Once you'll click, you'll get a list. Just click on Redeem Voucher. And here you are, my friends, Extramarks Learning app free access for 75 days. You can now start accessing the content in terms of learn, practice and test. Thank you so much.